It's the corns and tails, and today we're going to show you how we feed our birds.
That's right. Here's some of our chickens already. They know it's eating time. Let's go. Here's the feed buckets. Pop her open.
Dad! Come here. So first one.
Yep, pigeons and the chickens. We'll do chickens first. Good job. There's our big main rooster. Good job, good job. They're all eating. Yum, yum. Here's our coop. We've got it tarped up and winterized. They've got a little heat lamp in there, and they all stay pretty warm. Here's Blake's pigeon coop. They're already at the door. They know what time it is, too. And same with them. They got their heat lamp, and everything is blocked from the wind. Alright, they're gonna love it, love it, love it. Yum, in the middle of nowhere. That's a creek bed. That's old Bryce stomping grounds, huh? Alright, so tell them thanks for being here.
Bye!
Bye. We'll see you next time. Got the chickens and the pigeons fed. Good job.